Question about your relationship with hardware vendors. The trend towards applications being purpose-built into hardware. Can you speak specifically to your vision and relationship with hardware manufacturers, with Oracle doing the Sun deal, HP's relationship with Microsoft? Is there any plans to build the applications into the hardware for faster, better recovery, et cetera?
I think it would be an ideal opportunity for Vishal.
Let me address this. Also, the previous question about Oracle. I think the way we fundamentally look at the world is that the world is a heterogeneous world. The customer landscapes are never homogeneous. They are always in a state of change. They are always in a state of evolution. So the way we see the work done with our hardware partners, for example, is to get rid of the layers in the stack, not to crunch them and then buy hardware and then put all the layers inside the hardware. If you look at what we are doing with our in-memory technology, for example, we believe that we can get rid of several layers of the software stack and bring an incredible efficiency to our customers, not to mention real time to our customers. So we can make the gap between transactional and analytical applications go away. We can make the gap between the warehouses and the transactional systems go away. So layers of the stack will start to fall as you work with partners. But in order to do that, it is necessary to work with an ecosystem of partners, which is what is in our genome. All this innovation that we do comes together with Intel, which makes the processors, with memory vendors like Samsung, as well as with companies like HP and IBM that make the hardware around that. So the layers of the stack go away when you work together collaboratively with an ecosystem of partners, not when you just buy all the acquisitions, all the companies that are out there.
So you're currently integrating in with which manufacturers?
We are working with, on the processor side with Intel. We are optimizing our in-memory technologies with Intel, for example. We are working with memory vendors, all kinds of DRAM vendors. We are working with companies like EMC. We are working with VMware to make the software virtualizable across, Jim mentioned on-demand, on-premise, on-device. Yeah. VMware can help us make it elastic across these deployments. So you have to have it in your genome, and Singh is here from the ecosystem team to work together with partners. And we believe that it is a better way to deliver value to our customers.
Okay. And when you hear the customers, they don't want vendor lock-in. So as Vishal rightfully said, these are heterogeneous environments. They don't buy a stack. They're buying an idea. They're buying a business outcome, something that can change the way they run their company. And to have an open, independent business software company that can work with any and all partners to give the customer what they want, which is the best business idea at the lowest possible cost and the fastest time to value, is the model that we believe in. The 20th century model that Oracle has chosen to replicate is one of the past. And we think it will be one of the past, and history will play it out that way.
Yeah, James Taylor, Decision Management Solutions. Question about analytics. When you look at the higher end analytics,